Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Bale, introducing the course Data Structures and Files that you are going to study in this semester. Let us see the prerequisite for the subject. The prerequisite is you must know the fundamentals of data structures and discrete structures. You already studied it in the semester 1. The main course objective of this course is to study data structures and their implementation using OOP and their applications, to study some advanced data structures such as trees, graphs and tables, to learn different file organizations. And what is the expectations at the end of the course? Students should able to analyze algorithms, to determine algorithm correctness and time efficiency class, understand different advanced abstract data types and data structures and their implementation, understand different algorithmic techniques and their implementation, apply and implement learned algorithm design techniques and data structures to solve problems. The syllabus covers the 6 units. In the unit 1, there is a concept of stack and queue. In unit 2, there is a concept of non-linear data structures, that is trees. So you study the binary tree as an ADT, its recursive and non-recursive algorithms for binary tree traversals, binary search trees, binary search tree as an ADT, and application of trees. Unit 3 covers graphs as an ADT. There are two representations of the graph, that is adjacency matrix and adjacency list, DFS and BFS traversals, Prim's and Kruskal's algorithms for minimum spanning tree, shortest path using Warshall's algorithm and Dijkstra's algorithm, and topological sorting. Then unit 4, it covers symbol tables, implementation of heap, hash tables, implementation of hash collision resolution techniques. Then unit 5, it covers the concept of advanced data structures like threaded binary tree traversals, concept of red-black tree, AVL tree, B trees, B plus trees, split trees. And unit 6 is finally covers the file organization. There are different types of files, different organizations like sequential, index sequential, direct access, and the primitive operations on the file. Now there is a online exam up to the unit 4 and the final end-sem exam on all units. The books that you have to refer, the textbooks that you have to refer is the Data Structures, a Pseudocode Approach with C++ by Forozon, and Fundamentals of Data Structures in C++ by Horvitz. Now the question is, why to study this subject? Why this subject is included in this semester? What you learn in this subject is how to organize and store the data in computer. Then how to process the data efficiently. It helps you to implement and solve real-world problems. This is a fundamental subject of computer science. Basically, there are main two types of the data structures: primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. Integer, float, character, pointers. All these data types comes under the primitive data structures. Whereas in the non-primitive data structures that you are going to learn in this semester is arrays, list, and files. The arrays and list can be a linear list or non-linear list. Means linear means a sequential order and non-linear means it's non-sequential order. Stack and queues, these are the two data structures which comes under the linear list. Graphs and trees comes under the non-linear list. So this is the overall introduction of data structures and file. I hope you enjoy this subject this semester. Thank you.